Amidst these challenges, the fundamental right to education emerges as a beacon of hope, but sadly, government schools are a distant dream for these villages.
सरकारि स्कुलफ्राथ' बहुत गोजान गोजान जायो जोंनिफ्राय 5 किल'मिटार 6 किल'मिटार
दालां गैया गोदोनाफा दै बारलांनानै साइकेल बारनानै जों गथ'फोरखौ बारहोनानै फोरोंनांगौ जायो.
In this wretched situation, the communities of these villages rallied together to establish schools aided by the generosity of the people.
बेवहायनो गोबां गामिफ्रा ज'हैनो लोगो नांनानै बे स्कुलखौ जों गायसनदोंमोन.
Laha do dolare school dolaran tele binaw leda 30 taka kate le janda leda.
However, their meager donations could not sustain these schools for long. Teachers went unpaid and essential resources became scarce. The dreams of these children once again faded away.
मालाबा समाव मास्टारनो बेथन होनांगौ समावहायनो लेट खालामबाय.
गेप थानानै बिसोरो जाय फरायनो गोसो गैयैफ्रा थाबाय.
In the middle of this crisis, a ray of hope emerged, a helping hand extended by TheAnt. By 2021, TheAnt's gradually increasing presence in education has resulted in 17 forest learning centers, of which 2 have been upgraded to model learning centers and 9 other remedial centers scattered across the remotest corners of the district. TheAnt, a voluntary agency working in the region since the year 2000, has provided much needed infrastructure, teachers and their capacity building, and teaching learning material for quality education to these children who don't make it into our imagination of entitled citizens.
NGO जिथि बेयो जोंनावहाय हाबफैजेनदों ओमफ्राय जोङो बिसोरजों लोगो लानानै बे दा गासैबो स्कुलफ्रा जाखांफिनबाय.
The tide has begun to turn, the dropout rate has plummeted, and over thousands of children from the forest fringe villages have found solace in the TheAnt's initiative that is rooted in the community's desire to improve their children's plight. These tiny souls, once trapped in uncertainty, now have a chance to shape their own futures.
सिगाङाव बारा हायामोन दा एसे साबसिन रोंबाय नैबे जोंना मेडामा एसे मोजाङै फोरोंहरदों खोमा.
बुहुद सोलायदों दाथ' जोङो बुहुद धन्यबाद होनांगोन माने एनखौ.